What is the slope of the line through the 2 points graphed below? Okay, so let's make a line through these 2 points. We're trying to figure out the slope, or how steep this line is. Here's one point and here's the other point. In order to do this, the slope is equal to the rise over the run. The rise divided by the run. So the rise tells me how far up I go, and the run tells me how far over I go. So in order to get from this point all the way down here to this point up here, instead of taking the line, the green line, we're going to go first over 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So my run is 4. So let's plug this in up here. My run is 4. And for every 4 spaces over I go, I'm going to go up, and be careful of our scale here because each one of these tick marks is 2. So I'm going to go up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So my rise is 12. And actually, let's plug this in like this. My rise is 12. My run is 4. So when I divide those, 12 divided by 4, I'm going to get that my slope is equal to 3. So I have a slope of 3 here. Another way to figure that out is algebraically. We can look at what these 2 points, we can look at what exactly the points are here. So for example, this point down here is at 1, 4, so the coordinates are 1, 4, and then this point up here is at 5, 16. It's at 5, 16. That's where that point is. So what I can do then is I can find the rise and the run this way. The rise is simply the difference in the y2 value up here and the y1 value down here. That's what this line is. It's subtracting y2 minus the y1. It's the difference in those. So the rise, we can say, equals y2 minus y1. And then the run, very similar, but this time we're going horizontally. The run is equal to x2, so the x value of that point up there is right here, minus x1. So that's this difference here, x2 minus x1. So we can plug that in as x2 minus x1. Okay, so for my rise, I'm going to get that the rise is equal to, well, y2 is 16 minus y1 is 4. So my rise is equal to 12, and then my run, that's my rise, my run is going to be found by doing this. We're going to take x2, which is up here, 5, minus x1 down here, which is 1, and then we get that our run is 4, okay? So now I have my rise and I have my run. I can see that those are the same thing I found by counting here, 12 and 4, and that's why I did 12 divided by 4, and then I get my answer. My slope is 3. That's the slope of the line, found 2 different ways.